Hey, if you're like me, you know how easy it is to get sucked into endless scrolling, especially with YouTube Shorts. While they can be entertaining, they can also be a huge time sink. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts so you can focus on a more productive life. Let's get started. First, go to Settings on YouTube. Now click on General. Then go to Playback Feeds and make sure it is off. Then go back to Home page. Now click Not Interested every short you see. Then close the YouTube app and remove from recent apps. Now reopen YouTube. Now all of your shorts are gone. But if you search something, the shorts will not be removed there.